Alright, so it's your boy here for the rides. Why? Because I'm always here for the rides, even though I might be a little tired. And we have an unboxing video for you today, or a re-unboxing video, because I literally just opened this thing up about 2 minutes ago and was like, I should probably do an unboxing video. And I was like, it's not unboxing because I just unboxing. So a re-unboxing video, whatever. So I ordered the OGIO, the navy blue one, the OGIO Dakar bag, Dakar, and I got it for the bike because going to and from work, I'm sick of carrying my half-gallon of water with me in my bag, and I'm like, I'd rather have something where it's like it's already in the bag, and maybe if I got a little bit of extra room, because it looked like it had a cooling pouch, and it's a 3-liter bladder that comes with it as well. But if it had like a little cooling pouch area, maybe I could put some sandwiches or some snacks or something in there for lunch to keep my food cold, instead of having to bring my lunchbox as well. So that way I'm minimizing everything I'm taking while still keeping the essential stuff. So it's like, yeah, why not buy it? I mean, even if I wasn't going to use it for work, to be honest, I've been looking at this for the past couple weeks to a month, and I was going to buy it anyway. So let's get into this re-unboxing. As you can see, the box is already open because I opened it. Here is the strap that everyone says is so comfortable. Here is the hose coming out of the bladder. And let's go through the different pouches. Oh, I have this one here. Yeah, that's the one I got. I wanted the dark gray, black and green one because I might do a spine wrap or spine paint job on my bike, but whatever, they ain't had it on Amazon no more. This was $130. I had a $30 gift card on Amazon, so screw it, I just got this one instead. So this is the armored spot that people keep talking about. It's like foam armor. It's not like, I mean, it's armored, don't get me wrong, but it ain't like, it's not like hard plastic if that's what you was thinking. It can bend, it can flex if you apply enough pressure, but it still seems like it'll protect stuff pretty well in there. It's hard to open stuff with one hand. All right, let me turn on the flashlight on this. There it goes. So got a decent amount of space in here for whatever you want to put in there that needs to be secure and armored up. And then you got they say a helmet's supposed to fit here. How is a helmet going to fit in here? Maybe a bicycle helmet, I don't know. But yeah, you can extend these right here, you can extend these clips to the back and I guess strap a helmet. We're definitely gonna try that to this backpack. And yeah, do that, I guess. We're gonna try it, but I'm not about to ride like that, and I don't have a bicycle. This is like a felt type of pocket for whatever you want to put in here so it doesn't get scratched for everything else. That's pretty cool. Then we have, this is really difficult to do with one hand. You have no idea. There it goes. Then we have a pretty big pouch. Oh, that's the felt pocket area. Goes into here. So if you got something here, it might still ding. Just know this is where the felt pocket goes, right into the larger area. But yeah, so then you have this larger area here, which goes down pretty deep. It's pretty big. It's a decent size, depending on what you're carrying. And you can put whatever you want here, laptop, whatever, I guess. And then we have the spot in the bag, which is the reason why I got this bag. Let me open this up. I'm sorry for this view, y'all. I don't feel like getting them out, so I'm literally holding my phone and doing this. This is why I got this. So we got 3 liters. Everyone says this bag is so comfortable. I haven't even tried it on yet, to be honest with you. But this right here. I mean, for those people wondering what I was wondering for the longest, can I put a lunch in here? Kind of. Like, it goes down pretty deep, but then you take into effect how much water you got to put in here, how much water you got to drink throughout the day, whatever. It's got to expand out some. So maybe you could put some food up here if it's in like a small plastic bag or whatever. But if you got like Tupperware containers, I don't really know how well that's got to fit in here. But I'll tell you what, because that's why I bought this, and I usually use Tupperware containers when I go to work based off the shift I'm on now, I'm literally going to try that. And I'm going to record it and I'm gonna show you and see if it works. And I'm gonna try with different levels of water. I drink at least, bare minimum at work, I drink at least 1.5 liters of water, usually about 2. So I'm gonna fill it up to about how much I would normally have at work. We're gonna see if I'll be able to bring my lunch in here or if I'll be able to pack it up right. Then of course we're gonna go over fitting different stuff in here and maybe even try and weigh it. I'm actually gonna try and weigh it with it completely full for those people that'll be wondering that as well. And see how large it goes, how comfortable it is. But yeah, that's the backpack. I hope you liked the video. This is a very short one today. I understand I haven't uploaded nothing in a while, but I'm uploading this one right now tonight. The camera's over here. I'm looking in the wrong spot. But I'm going to upload this one right here tonight because I ain't forget about y'all. I've been extremely busy working overtime so I can buy a $100 backpack. Technically a $130 backpack. Just kidding. It's a lot of stuff going on, but yeah. I haven't had no content in a while, so here's some content. There you go. Enjoy it. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, other type of stuff. Any ideas of what else you want to see, let me know. Any other questions about this bag I have, let me know. Any questions about my Bell helmet that I have, let me know. Any questions about my Cardo Bluetooth that I have, let me know. Or anything with the car as well, just, hit me up. Hit me up on Instagram too. Here for the ride. Same as the YouTube page. But on that note, I gotta go to bed. So we out. Deuces.
So sorry, mama, I would never learn my lesson. I need a calculator just to count my blessings.